You're tuned in to Black History's Entertainment Radio.
I love you. I really do. Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you before the second show.
I must face face the world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong.
Belén, Belén.
It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow, yeah. And the smallest of dreams will come true. I can take all the madness the world will have to give, and it won't last a day without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you'll always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow, yes. And the smallest of dreams will come true. I can take all the madness the world will have to give, and it won't last a day without you. And it won't last a day without you. 'Cause it won't last a
You're
day
tuned in to Black History Entertainment Radio.
won't last a day without you.
Here we are, two of us together, taking this crazy chance to be all alone. We both know that we should not be together.
thing they young go in a movie. Find out the hard way, say a reality. Cause you walk out of my life and me feel empty. Me thought, oh what a heartache, what a tragedy. Me sunshine days, them turn cloudy. I know you're having an affair, and I know who, and I know where, It's not an easy going chick, just down there. She lives at number 6 String Chair. Why just down the road from me so I could see, so that people all around me, they could laugh at me. They used to laugh off of me. Tell me, say you fit tell me. Tell me, well, I beg you tell me. Tell me, baby, tell me. I love a little
You're
man,
tuned
yeah,
in
my
to
skin
Black
tight. One
History
little bird, them come sit up on my
Entertainment
shoulder.
Radio.
And now my ears come guess what it is.
First thing early Monday morning, I'm gonna pack my tears away. Packing up hostel back, I'm looking for me a better day.
Streaming live, it's Washington, D.C.'s very own DJ Digital.
That is not enough. If the only thing that brings you is pain.
Oh my God.
The time when we gonna make a change, just let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Everything's gonna work out for you. Just let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it go, baby. Don't nobody want no broke. Don't nobody want no two-time loser. No, no. Ain't nobody gonna love you like you are. You take whatever it brings your way. Oh no, no. Say the thing of it is we deserve respect, but we can't demand our respect forever change. There comes a time when we must go our own way. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Everything's gonna work out right, you know. Just let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Just let it go. Oh yeah. Sometimes love can work out right now. Sometimes you never know it. You're never ever gonna know it. But if it brings you pain in your life, don't be afraid to let it go. Just let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Everything's gonna work out right, you know.
He works hard to give her all he thinks she wants, but it tears her apart, 'cause nothing's for her heart.
All your favorite throwbacks with DJ Digital.
He works hard to give her all he thinks she wants, but it tears her apart, 'cause nothing's for her heart. Ooh, he pulls it late to
tower alone on the sea. You became the light on the dark side of me. Love remains a drop of the high and not the pill. But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can
It's history in the making. You're rocking with DJ Digital.
And I compare it to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels. Yeah, yeah. Now that your roses in bloom, I light it's the glue on the way. So much a man can tell you, so much he can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain.
Greetings, massive.
To me, you like a good addiction.
N.AMERICA.
But did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can be seen? Baby, and I compare it to a kiss from a rose on the grave. Ooh, the more I get of you, the stranger it feels. Yeah, yeah. Now that your roses in bloom, a light is the glue on the way. Kissed by a rose on the grave. I've been kissed by a rose on the grave. I've been kissed by a rose on the grave. I've been kissed by a rose. There is so much a man can really tell you, so much he can say. You remain my power, my pleasure, my pain, baby. To me, you like a grown addiction that I can't deny. I want you to tell me, is it healthy, baby?
Come on and do me, baby. Oh, here we are in this big old empty room, staring each other down. You want me just as much as I want you. Let's stop fooling around. Yeah. Take me, baby, and kiss me all over. Honey, play with my love. Bring out what's been in me for far too long. Baby, you know that's all I've been dreaming of. Do me, baby, like you never done before. Oh, give it to me till I just can't take no more. Come on, do me, baby, like you never done before. Oh, I want it now. I just can't take no more. Here we are, looking for a reason for you to lay me down. For love like ours
favorite throwbacks with DJ Digital.
Dance me once again, and we know there was no one but you until more. Don't go, you know you break my heart. Here you are, I feel like I will. Love don't walk stays when he walks away, and you know I'll be standing here still. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. See me as if you never knew. Hold me so you can let go. Just believe in me. I will make you see all the things that your heart needs to know. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. Somewhere a love that we have can be seen, but every day won't be fine. Don't wait, for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you.
The 80s and 90s with DJ Digital.
This is how it's sweet. Isn't it sweet? Conscious, uplifting music on Black History Entertainment Radio.